vlogging. This car is already dirty. This car is dirty. I was like just barely watched it, but I couldn't even see out the window. It was like so dirty.
Alright guys, Chris here. I'm going to bring you along a little car show that I like to go to. It's Cars and Coffee. It's in Alexandria. A lot of people go to the Katie's. It's pretty popular in this area. I don't have much time and I actually didn't wake up early enough, so I'm going to go to the Alexandria one, which I believe is right off of Route 1. Me, myself, I'm a car enthusiast, so I'm in my R32 GTR. I'm going to bring you guys along, so I hope you like it. Alright guys, we just made it to the Cars and Coffee here at the Sherwood Deli here. So we got a bunch of cars, beautiful Porsche right over here. Well, two nice Porsches. Brother's talking to him right now, so I definitely want to get into that conversation. But we got about, I don't know, 10 cars out here. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that Trans Am. That thing is beautiful. He was leaving as soon as I left. I mean, as soon as I arrived, so I couldn't get much footage on that car. So, but that's what I pretty much do, or try to do on Saturdays. That's my GTR. That's my brother's white Berg right there, or blue Berg, 510 Datsun. It's not just a Datsun; it's right-hand drive. So it is a rare bird right there. So there you guys. That is a rare car. So. I'm not too much of a Nissan fan, but I do like those GTRs. More B-roll. Alright guys, if you stuck with me through the end of this video, thanks for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed the cars. See you on the next video. Peace. So as I was leaving, I noticed this car in the background. I don't know if you can see that right there. Let me focus in on it for you guys, but that is some awful paintless dent repair right there. I mean, I don't even know if you want to call it paintless dent repair. It's like gypsy repair. So it is what it is, but don't let your car look like that. Stay dent free.